more thing for me. Just one more thing. I would like for everybody here to sing the 5 words to this song. It's just, heaven must be like this. And if you really mean it, I mean really mean it, I want you to sing the words to the song. Will you do it for me? I said, will you do it for me? But before we do that, Beck, I'd like to bring a solo artist that's been singing all over this boat. She's a female, she's from the west, very morning area of town where they sing everything. The Motown artist, they call. Her name is Val Young. Will you put your hands together?